Lazy Sunday mornings, hiding under covers. I don't mind staying in with you. Play your favorite movie, laying right beside me. I don't mind when it's just us two. That corner coffee shop we like to go. Late night walks with you to take me home.
芝生とかももともと校庭だったんだろうっていうのがちょっと分かる。
These little songs make me glad to call you mine. And you have got my head in the clouds. All that I need is your body next to me on rainy days. Just need your company.
小倉割との北九州の、織物で縦糸の密度が高いので、目にこういった縞模様が綺麗に出る特徴のもの。
What happens if I lose my way with a compass and a map I made, looking for my shadow in the dark? What happens if I look for you with a compass and my tennis shoes and find you holding someone else's heart? Sleeping on your bedroom floor, I'll let my feelings wash ashore. You told me I'm projecting and I don't move with much direction anymore. I don't know what I'm looking for. I can't believe I care. Soon I wanna pinky swear I'm leaving, I'll call you when I'm there. What happens if I lose my way with a compass and a map I made, looking for my shadow in the dark? What happens if I look for you with a compass and my tennis shoes and find you holding someone else's heart? So I get up and I get dressed, playing Pokemon on my old 3DS. There's a title card that says you gotta be the very best. And now I'm getting existential with my digital pets. I can't believe I care, but what a weird state of affairs. I'm leaving, I'll call you when I'm there. What happens if I lose my way with the compass and a map I made, looking for my shadow in the dark? What happens if I look for you, the compass and my tennis shoes, and find you holding someone else's heart? Do I go back to the start? What happens if I lose my way with the compass and a map I made, looking for my shadow in the dark? What happens if I look for you, the compass and my tennis shoes, and find you holding someone else's heart? Do I go back to the start?
すごいさ、肌触りのいい生地だよ。 おはようございます。ご飯楽しみ。マッサージのエリアでございまして、お部屋ございます。ペアルームもございます。こちらでお手洗いございまして、こちらがジムのエリアです。すごいね、テクノジムのいろんな機械。